It's Friday. I'm off work and happy about it. Came home and fixed dinner, and we're just hanging out. Yeah, water. Bye. You be careful. No, looks like it's about to rain a little bit. Not too much over here, but over here it looks like it's gonna rain soon. So yeah, I know we're going on a cruise in a few months. I'm so excited about it. And it's in October. Still got another 4.5 months till we go, but I'm really excited about it. We need this vacation. What you got, a stick? Or what is that, a leaf? Get over here. Get back over here. I did not know that gate was open. It's the gate. Over here. Come here. No, don't tell me bye. Come here. Trey. It is Saturday, early afternoon, like almost 12 o'clock, I think. I'm getting ready to go to Whitten Woods and do a boat tour. Okay, let me find the other one. Just waiting on Red. Don't worry, we got the doors open and the trunk is open too. What you doing? You ready? Y'all ready? Go get on the boat. Yeah. Taj, you ready? Alright, let's go. So that's our old high school over there. And that's the new one way over there. It looks really nice, but like this over here was like the old auditorium. They've already torn that down and they started doing some stuff over there. And Ray was just talking about how he wished they had let us like walk through and everything before they really start tearing stuff down.
Or at least helped us demo it or something.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
A part of the process. I mean, just sign a waiver and just let us go at it.
Yeah, that would have been nice. I mean, the new school is really nice and everything, but it would have been nice for, you know, alumni to be able to come up and, you know, do some things there and, you know, maybe walk through the halls one more time. So, getting ready to take off on the boat. Go over, Daddy. See the water? Yeah. Where you going? You see the ducks? Yeah. It's fun. You having fun? Huh? Are you happy, Trey? Happy. Yeah. There's a church over there. You ready to go under? Go under the bridge. Ready? Here we go. Woo. Tosh. Tosh. Hi. Hi.
Uh-oh. You okay, Tosh? They'll be real mad if it starts raining.
Trey, did you have fun? Tosh, you have fun? Come over here. Trey, over here. We'll go to the car and go home. Got to go to a close family friend's graduation party. Graduated from high school like a week or two ago. So we heading there. We were trying to decide whether we wanted to go or not. But we're going. Everybody's getting their cups. You say thank you, Daddy. Alright, we are almost ready to go to church. I just got on this shirt and a skirt. And the boys are dressed. Trey. Tosh. Tosh. What are you doing? Oh, that wasn't you. Tosh. What you doing? You're not supposed to be in the bathroom. You ready to go? Go to church? Yeah. Trey, you ready to go to church? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Daddy, you ready for church? Ray, you ready? Okay. Careful. Come on. No, I don't. Trey, get over here. Trey. What'd you say, Ray? Come on, let's go. Pulling in church. It's not as, we got here a little bit earlier than we did last Sunday. Yeah, a little bit. There was cars like all the way up to here. So hopefully we get a decent seat this Sunday.
Where you going, Tosh? You use your sense of direction as a man. Where we go now, Tosh? We go out this door.
Go this way.
Let's go this
Here.
way.
The car right here, Ray. Did you have fun at church? Taj, you have fun at church? Watch out, Ray. We're gonna have some hamburgers and hot dogs today. Do you want nuts today?
Ah! Oh, I don't want to see his face. Baby, I don't want to see his face. You think I can hook him by his clothes?
No, babe. Just scoop him. Oh, look at his foot.
No! Ah!
Shh. Ray, don't move that thing by me.
Baby, you're supposed to be helping me.
You wasn't even gonna do it till I told you I was gonna tell your whole family you wasn't gonna do it for me. Oh, poor thing. Ray, do you want me to do it and you do the bag? You gotta close the bag, honey. You can't just throw it in the trash.
I can't do this.